In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front axle locker actuator on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. Disconnect the connector. There's a little lock tab on the top, so you want to just slide that towards the back. You might need a pick to do that, or a screwdriver. Then just push down on the tab and try to slide this back. Just using a straight blade screwdriver just to help pry it back, but definitely make sure you push down on that button while you're doing that. That's the little lock tab that's normally forward, and then you push that back. You push down right there. Using a 12mm socket, take these bolts out. There's 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. I'm just going to have a drain bucket underneath just in case any of the fluid comes out when you take this off. And I'll take the bottom one out. And just grab the actuator, slide it out. Just gonna tip it. So you're gonna tip it up and then rock it down. I'll just take a rag. Just wipe this area clean. If you need to, you can use a scraper. If there's any gasket material, you can get that off. But just make sure that's clean. Now take your new actuator. You can see where the fork is. There's this little sleeve that goes back and forth. This needs to go right in between where that sleeve is. So we're going to slide that up first and get that lined up right there, just like that. Take the bolts, get those started. The top bolt started. Now we'll torque these to 21 foot-pounds. That's good. I'll just wipe it out. I'll just wipe this down. You can use a little brake parts cleaner if you need to. Now connect the connector, line it up. Lock it down, and then push down on that lock tab. I'm going to top off the front differential. Use a 8mm hex socket. Take the fill plug out. And with the appropriate gear oil, I'm going to use a fluid transfer pump and push some new fluid in. It's not going to take much to top it off. There we go. Just so it starts dripping out like that. That looks good. I'll put the fill plug in. Snug that down. And I'll just clean this up, a little brake parts cleaner, or you can wipe it down with a rag.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.